it personal. I ain't lying, I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying.
It is beautiful out here. I am at Tanger Outlets and about to spend some money. Not too much, but a little something. Treat myself. Got a lot of birthday coupons, so I'm gonna take advantage. All right.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you, I know how to
till I got funny to step back. Constantly online, causing me setbacks. Ooh. Every day see so many people doing the things you do, and they're doing it better too. Whoa. It's like, why should I even try when there's always some other guy who's way ahead of you, but makes it look easy? Why would they need me? Oh, I hear it now. I'm just being needy. I try not to envy you, to get angry. You do it better than me. I try not to hate myself, to lose confidence, but you always do it better than me. I just wanna be loved like you. I just want 'em to see me too. Just wanna be the one they choose. Yeah, I just wanna be loved. That's really, really cool for you. Yeah, everything you do is cool. It's kind of unbelievable. It's also unachievable. Yeah, almost inconceivable. I'll never do it like you do. And I know I'll grow in a host for me.
Hey family, so just want to show you real quick what I got yesterday while I was out shopping. All right, first let's start with Bath and Body Works. So I was going to get my free birthday item, and all you had to do was purchase something. So I probably could have just purchased one, but why, they had them on sale 6 for $10. So I got all mahogany teak wood, and this was my free item, Into the Night body cream. And I think I showed you the cardigans that I got from H&M in the clips. So give me 1 second, I'll take them out for you. All right, so just some simple button-up cardigans. It's this one, and here's the other one. And everywhere I went, I had a birthday coupon or something. So we went to one of my favorite stores, of course, Coach. And I needed a wallet for my crossbody bag that I purchased the last time you all saw me at Coach. And got that. And also just a simple, because I didn't have just a regular black. Yeah, so I could actually use this wallet for this, as well as my other crossbody. And last but not least, I have a 20% off coupon for Converse. And I was about to leave because I didn't see anything at first. And I went down another aisle and found these. I think I showed you all in the video, but I absolutely love these. Oh my God, those are so cute. Yeah. So that's that. Hey family, happy Thanksgiving, and it's game day. You see it? Yes, get better. Hutch, Team Hutch. That's right, but go Lions. So I'm getting ready to head out. Sorry, my TV's a little loud in the living room. However, get ready to head out to some family's house, and we're gonna kick it, watch the game, and eat and be merry. All right, so I just wanted to show y'all, and I hope all of you have a blessed day on today, and much love to all of you. I hope you are safe, healthy, and happy. Yes, and with your family. So peace and blessings, and I'll get with y'all later. What's up, family? It's Saturday, November 30th, and I am headed out. I have a birthday party to go to, so I am dressed and ready to go.
But self-doubt comes easy and I've tried almost everything, but it just hasn't worked yet. I try not to envy you, to get angry you do it better than me. I try not to hate myself, to lose confidence, but you always do it better than me. I just wanna be loved like you. I just want 'em to see me too. Just wanna be the one they choose. Yeah, I just wanna be loved. Ooh, I hate comparison, cause it makes me feel lesser than striving for perfection, thinking somebody will see me then. No, don't get me wrong, really want everybody to succeed, but can we start with me? Like, why was it her and not me? Why was it her?
Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and